Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're on the hunt for the best desktop Wi-Fi solution, look no further. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Archer TX20U Plus AX 1800 Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter. This powerful and compact adapter is the answer to all your wireless connectivity problems, delivering exceptional performance and blazing fast speeds. First, let's talk about why Wi-Fi 6 is a game-changer. This latest standard offers faster speeds and reduced congestion compared to older Wi-Fi generations. With the Archer TX20U Plus, you can experience wireless speeds of up to 1,800 megabits per second to 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or downloading large files, this Wi-Fi 6 adapter will ensure a smooth and seamless experience, without the typical lag or interruptions. One of the standout features of this adapter is the dual high-gain antennas. These aren't your standard antennas. They're designed to enhance signal strength and provide better range, even in areas that are typically hard to reach. Plus, the antennas are adjustable and multi-directional, so you can fine-tune their position to achieve the best reception possible, no matter where your desktop is placed. Another incredible benefit of the Archer TX20U Plus is its compatibility with the latest WPA3 security protocol. This ensures your network is protected with the highest level of encryption, keeping your personal data safe from threats. And don't worry about compatibility. This Wi-Fi 6 adapter works with both Windows 10 and Windows 11, ensuring it will work with most modern desktops. In terms of design, TP-Link has nailed it with the Archer TX20U Plus. The adapter features a desktop-friendly design and comes with a 1.2-meter USB 3.0 cable, providing flexibility in terms of placement for optimal reception. This thoughtful design means you won't have to worry about positioning your PC too close to your router, as the cable allows you to place the adapter in the best spot for maximum performance. And let's not forget about the reduced latency and congestion this device offers, thanks to its support for new MIMO and OFDMA technologies. These features work together to reduce interference and maximize throughput, ensuring that your online experience is as smooth as possible. Whether you're setting up a new PC or upgrading your existing one, the Archer TX20U Plus is the ideal solution for anyone looking to boost their Wi-Fi performance. It's easy to install, incredibly fast, and has all the features you need to enjoy a seamless and secure connection. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.